Hydrophysio combines the power of water with innovative design, proudly designed and manufactured in the UK to help you move better, recover faster, and stay active for longer. By easing strain on joints and enhancing mobility, the Focus and Active treadmills offer low-impact exercise opportunities that support fitness, rehabilitation, and general well-being. Water-based exercise has a transformative effect. It reduces joint impact, providing a safer, more comfortable way to move, while natural resistance strengthens muscles and builds endurance. The hydrostatic pressure aids in improving circulation and reduces swelling, aiding recovery and overall well-being. Buoyancy encourages greater range of motion, while warm water helps to minimise pain. Together, these benefits make every session effective and enjoyable, no matter your goals. Designed with user experience in mind, Hydrophysio machines are easy to use and highly versatile. Features like adjustable water levels, variable speeds, and powered incline allow for fully customised sessions. From professionals supporting rehabilitation to individuals looking to enhance their fitness, Hydrophysio's underwater treadmills are ideal for users of all ages and abilities. With every step, stride, or recovery session, you'll experience the benefits of water-based movement like never before.